Hi guys, yeah, same day, same thing. I've filmed the last 3 videos, same clothes, but normal videos-ish resuming from now, and I've got an unboxing for you, and it is the January 2018, scary, edition of Glossybox. Right, now I'm not going to lie, I did take a sneaky peek in these boxes because I've had them for a little while now and I want to see what was in. So I haven't opened them properly, I just had a little look at the card. So, right, let's see what it is. The usual ribbon paper. Okay, right, first item in the box. Right, this is a no-no for me. For the reason being, let's double check. Fish oil, beef gelatin. Yeah, basically I'm lacto-vegetarian, so I'm going to take these. But these are the Boots Beauty Benefit Supplements. While serums and moisturisers are vital for great skin, they can only penetrate so far, which is why they're a good idea to boost your efforts with these nutrient-rich supplements. The Beauty Beneath formula from scientists consists of 2 soft gel capsules packed with a complex blend of 19 nutrients for healthy, glowing skin. The nutrients work to boost your own collagen production, fading fine lines and wrinkles while leaving your skin softer than ever. Recommended retail price $39.99. So it seems a little bit of a waste that I'm not going to be able to use these, but I'm not going to use them, sorry. I know it says in the leaflet it's suitable for pescatarians, but they did actually send an email saying that wasn't the case at all. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to take these, but it's worth $39.99, it's a full size. I'll see if my mum wants them, and if not, I'm sure I can find a friend to pass them on to. So that's number 1. Number 2. Now this is something which, if you follow my Instagram, you'll know that I got the Look Fantastic Beauty in Wonderland advent calendar, and this came in this exact size, this exact product, and it is the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, and this is the travel size. This gorgeous facial oil is packed full of skin-enriching minerals and vitamins which work to rejuvenate, renew and protect your complexion. Moroccan rose is a potent source of vitamins A and C, plus antioxidants essential for protecting against free radicals. Pop 3 drops into your fingertips and press into your skin, keeping it and feeling hydrated and subtle all day. Supple even. I'll take it out so you can have a look. I don't know if this is the same size bottle. I think mine was slightly bigger, I'm not sure. Right, that's what it is anyway. And the last one, my mum took it almost immediately. As soon as I opened it, she was like, ooh, I like rose facial oils and blah, blah, blah. So my mum took it. Then she proceeded to spill it all over her bedside cabinet. So whether I give this to her is another thing. I've been the nice daughter that I am. I probably will give her it, but it is nice. She did say it was nice before she spilt it and left the lid off and spilt it. But yes, so that's that. I might lose that one as well. What next? Right, let's just take a mad dribble. Right, the Evelyn Iona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer. Prep and Protect Vegan 20 ml. Primer. Now, it says this is a full size. 20 ml seems quite small for a full size, but whatever. I'll let you know for definite in the description box below. A good primer is essential for flawless, long-lasting and makeup, which is why I was smitten with this. Packed with moisturising ingredients including avocado oil and green tea extract, it'll nourish and protect your complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines and large pores, and help your makeup stay put for longer. It's also cruelty and paraben free. So I will let you know the size of that and how much that's worth in the description box. What next? Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. 15 ml. If your nails are in need of some serious TLC, yeah, mine are. This reparative oil is just what you need. A delicious blend of vitamins, plant extracts, revitalising eucalyptus and soothing lavender. It gets to work on brittle nails, split cuticles and dry skin. Massage a few drops into your nail beds and cuticles for instant hydration and stronger nails. Full size, recommended retail price $5.99. Well, there's no time like the present, is it, if I can open it? I'm not going to be able to open it now, am I? Oh yeah, here we go. It smells a bit like bubblegum. I don't know what I expected. What is it? Eucalyptus and lavender. Yeah, it smells like bubblegum. Strange. Oh, it doesn't feel particularly oily either. Interesting. Keep away from heat and flame. Okay. Well, that's interesting. It didn't feel oily and it just disappeared straight into my nails. So, we'll see what that does. Sounds interesting. I was expecting an oil based on the description, but that's obviously not what it is. Anyway, final thing. Apicia Paris Cream Blush Pollen. If you're new to cream blush, this couldn't be better introduction. As with all Apicia products, it's rich in organic bee pollen to nourish skin. From a subtle flush of colour, dab it on slowly and blend in, building up the colour as you need. A deep honey pink, this hue suits all skin tones. Full size. And full size, what is the full size? I don't know, does it have a size? Don't know. Don't know, but let's have a look. That's what it looks like. Initial squeeze. Right, it's like a sort of corally terracotta colour. I put way too much on. That's actually quite nice though. I think that, you know, you're not really seeing it too well. Maybe that way. Be better for summer maybe, but that's actually really pretty. Apart from my stained finger. That's actually really pretty. That's pretty. Yeah, probably more of a summer colour for me with the sort of corally peachy tones. But you don't need a lot, let's put it that way, you don't need a lot. What does it say? Make sure your makeup doesn't let you down on Valentine's Day. I'm sick of it already. February's Glossybox contains the Studio 10 Makeup Mix Glow Collection. So that's what's in next month's. Right, I've got to say, it does look interesting box. But when the most expensive thing in the box is not suitable for you, it kind of makes you go a bit... I don't honestly think or know if there is a space on the Glossybox website to declare whether you want animal-based products or not. So as I say, this is a big chunk of the box that's no good to me. Everything else I'll use. I'm curious about that nail stuff. I'm really curious about that nail stuff. And the rose oil is beautiful. I might give it to my mum, but if she's going to get these, do I really want to give her two things? Maybe not. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think about this. Do you like this box? Is it the best? I don't think it's the best they've ever done. It's not wowed me, but as I say, maybe I'm biased because of the vitamins. But I'd love to know your thoughts, so leave me a comment in the description box. Let me know what you think about this, and yeah, if you've got any ideas for subscription boxes, is there any that you subscribe to that I haven't tried? Basically, I'm talking about ones that are shipped to the UK, because obviously my little box is gone, and something else that I subscribe to may be gone shortly. Yeah, you'll see that in the next video. But yeah, I'm looking for new things. I don't necessarily just mean beauty. Candles, pet things, sweets, food, anything. If you subscribe to a subscription box that I can get in the UK and you think it's a good one, let me know in the comments. Love to know your thoughts. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Check out my blog as well for the Pixie giveaway, and I will see you really soon with another video, which will be another unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye.